Welcome. Want to spice up your Instagram story by adding multiple photos at once? Whether you want to share highlights from your day or create a photo collage, Instagram makes it easy to post multiple photos to your story. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen to begin creating your story. Now, look to the top right and tap on Select. This will allow you to pick multiple photos from your gallery that you want to share on your story. Once you've selected the photos you want to use, go ahead and tap Next at the bottom right of the screen. This is where you'll get to customize how your photos appear. Next, tap on Separate Stories. This option will let you share each selected photo as a separate story, rather than grouping them together in one. Each photo will appear as its own individual story slide. Finally, when you're ready, just tap Your Story to post your photos. And that's it. You've successfully shared multiple photos on your Instagram story, with each one appearing as a separate post. Now you can share all the memories, moments, and highlights you want without having to choose just one photo. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.